Can you say hi? Thanks, guys. And that was a lot of fun because I taped a lot of you guys taping me. So, what's up, man? Nice. What's up, brother? I'm getting you, getting me. Okay, nice. That's what I'm talking about. I can't. They're gonna give me a ticket. I'm ugly. I'm not stupid. I already tried it once. I'm filming you, filming me. I look like Uncle Fester, right? Addams Family. Da 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 da. Well, there's good days and bad days. I don't want bad days. Say hi. Come on, say hi. Thank you, Bill. Thank you for taking care of my car. Yeah, that's his. What's $1 million Ferrari for sure? Look at this. The Aston? Yeah, I was digging the Aston too. Yeah, the Aston's dope. I like it. Look at this Aston. Batteries. And I'm all about regular dudes. So, thanks for watching Chasing the Apex, and we will see you next week. Love doing people stuff. It's my gig.